Hi everybody, in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. In prior of starting, let me show you one thing. So first of all, just settings, display and brightness. And as you will see in the auto screen off category, the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order to get this value to never, we will use the help of a third-party app that is absolutely free in the Play Store. That is called Caffeine. So type in Caffeine in the Play Store search bar. That's the app that we are looking for. Tap on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and install. As you can see, it happens literally in a fraction of a second. Open it, and here at the first feature, at the first function this app has, timeout. Once it is set to the infinite, your screen will not turn off, basically never, or at least automatically, and as long as this app is running. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.